Namaskar and very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Like last year, this year also, PCRA would undertake a month-long mass awareness drive seeking citizens to participate in fuel conservation for health and environment protection and simultaneously help in reducing India's dependency on import of crude oil. Shaksham 2021 will span over a period of 1 month from 16 January to 15th of February 2021. And we welcome all of you here once again. At the very beginning, the students of Nirasar Jatiya Vidyalaya will be presenting national anthem, and I request all of you to kindly stand up and join us for national anthem. Thank you. Thank you so much. এতিয়া মঞ্চত উপবিষ্ট আমাৰ বিশিষ্ট অতিথিক আমি আদৰণি জনাবলৈ লৈছো। Now Sri G. Ramesh, he is the Chief General Manager and State Head IOCL, who is the state level coordinator for world marketing companies in Assam, will felicitate our chief guest, Sri Fonibhu Khan Chaudhary, Honorable Minister of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Assam. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Honorable Minister, sir, to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. এগছি বন্তি প্ৰজ্বলনেৰে অনুষ্ঠানৰ শুভাৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ আমি মাননীয় মন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনাইছো। লগতে মঞ্চত উপবিষ্ট বিশিষ্ট অতিথিবৃন্দ তেখেতক সহযোগ কৰিবলৈ আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছো। Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhala sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namastude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I request Sri G. Ramesh, Chief General Manager and State Head IOCL, to present the welcome address.
Namaste and good afternoon. It's my pride and privilege to welcome the most respected and highly popular Sri Pani Bhushan Chaudhary sir, Honorable Minister, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Assam, to the inaugural function of Saksham 2021 in Assam. I'm also happy to welcome all officials, business and channel partners of the oil and gas marketing companies who are serving the people of Assam. Warm welcome to all those who are not present here in this hall, but also those who are joined in this program virtually, literally in hundreds. I think we have reached the limit of 300 participants, which is why more people now are unable to join us. But they'll be able to view us on this virtual platform. And it's going live on YouTube. So the numbers will be much more. Last but not the least, the children are not here, but warm welcome to them also. Also thankful to them for the lovely renditioning of the national anthem. Sanrakshan Shamta Mahotsav, Saksham for short, is an annual program promoted by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas through PCRA, or Petroleum Conservation and Research Association. Petroleum and natural gas are not only valuable, but also non-renewable sources of energy. These therefore need to be optimally and responsibly used so that future generations do not find the tanks dry when they turn on the tap on these resources in future. Also in line with the theme of the year of this program, green and clean energy, we also have a responsibility to leave Mother Earth and the environment in at least the same, if not a better state than what we received from our previous generations. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas is also working in tandem with other ministries and stakeholders in making efforts to achieve reduction in import dependency of crude oil and gas, which is not an easy task for a country like India, where 80% of our requirements today is imported. This strategy broadly includes increase of domestic production of oil and gas, improving energy efficiency and productivity, giving thrust on demand substitution, promoting biofuels and renewable energy. Saksham 2021 is another small step to align the citizens of this country to comprehend these objectives. We are undertaking a number of activities to reach out to various mass segments, such as students from schools, colleges, technical institutes, housewives, drivers of all types of vehicles, whether it's a car or a truck or LCV, HCV, industries, farmers, housing societies, gram panchayats, NGOs, clubs. We are trying to reach out to as many segments as conceivable as possible, with targeted activities to promote fuel conservation for their involvement and adoption. Many activities are being carried out through virtual mode, as is the new normal of today. Now, all this cannot be done by an individual alone, but if all individuals do what is expected of them, this is very much doable. So as energy professionals, we need to create awareness among all our stakeholders at all levels. Almost 15,000 activities have been planned in the next 30 days towards this end. Each one of you will be an ambassador to spread awareness to the masses and citizens of this country, especially Assam. So let each one of us do a bit so that we leave a greener and cleaner tomorrow for the upcoming generations. As State Level Coordinator for Assam, I once again welcome all participants connected both physically and virtually to this inaugural function, and appeal to one and all to actively promote the activities being conducted during Section 2021 in the state of Assam during this month-long campaign. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. আমাৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানটি বিভিন্ন স্থানত পোনপটীয়াকৈ সম্প্ৰচাৰ কৰি থকা হৈছে আৰু আমাৰ লগত জড়িত হৈ থকা প্ৰতিগৰাকী ব্যক্তিক আমি ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো। পেট্ৰলিয়ামজাত সম্পদসমূহ সংৰক্ষণৰ বাবে সদায় জাগ্ৰত হৈ থাকি ইয়াৰ অপব্যৱহাৰ ৰোধ কৰিবলৈ জনগণক জাগ্ৰত কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে এই সংৰক্ষণ ক্ষমতা মহোৎসৱ পালন কৰা হৈছে। ইয়াৰ লগত সংগতি ৰাখি এতিয়া শপত বাক্য পাঠ কৰোৱা হ'ব। শ্ৰী দিগন্ত ঠাকুৰীয়া তেখেত ডেপুটি জেনেৰেল মেনেজাৰ তেখেতে অসমীয়াত, শ্ৰী শুভ্ৰা চক্ৰৱৰ্তী চিফ ৰিজনেল মেনেজাৰ তেখেতে হিন্দী আৰু শ্ৰী দেৱাশিষ দাস চিফ মেনেজাৰ তেখেতে ইংলিছত এতিয়া শপত বাক্য পাঠ কৰাব। সকলোকে সহযোগ কৰিবলৈ আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছো।
Good morning to all. Chief guest of today's function, Sri Fani Pradhan Chaudhary sir, Honorable Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Assam, respected Chief General Manager and State Head, Indian Oil AOD State Office, Sri Z. Ramesh sir, Sri Chakraborty, Chief Regional Manager, SPCL, and Sri Devashish Das, Chief Retail Manager, BPCL, on the dais, my colleagues and other employees of Indian Oil AOD State Office present today in this function. I'm going to read out the Saksham pledge in Assamese, and I request all of you to follow me. মই এতিয়া অসমীয়াতে Saksham 2021 or শপত বাক্য লম, আপোনালোকে মোৰ লগত শপত ল'বলৈ অনুৰোধ কৰিলো। আমি সত্যনিষ্ঠাৰে প্ৰতিজ্ঞা কৰোঁ যে আমি পেট্ৰলিয়ামজাত সম্পদসমূহ সংৰক্ষণৰ বাবে সদায় প্ৰয়াসৰত হৈ থাকিম, যাতে দেশৰ প্ৰগতিৰ বাবে অত্যাৱশ্যকীয় এই সীমিত সম্পদৰাজিৰ যোগান অধিক সময়ৰ বাবে সম্ভৱ হ'ব পাৰে। আদৰ্শৱান নাগৰিক হিচাপে আমি পেট্ৰলিয়ামজাত সামগ্ৰীৰ অপব্যৱহাৰ ৰোধ কৰিবলৈ জনগণক জাগ্ৰত কৰিম, যাতে ভৱিষ্যতৰ প্ৰজন্মৰ বাবে এক নতুন আৰু স্বাস্থ্যৱান ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰিব পাৰোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
नमस्कार, मैं अभी हिंदी में प्रतिज्ञा ग्रहण कर रहा हूँ। संरक्षण क्षमता महोत्सव का प्रतिज्ञा। हम सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अपने सभी कार्यों में पेट्रोलियम उत्पादों के संरक्षण हेतु सतत प्रयासरत रहेंगे। बाकी देशों की प्रगति के लिए आवश्यक इन सीमित संसाधनों की आपूर्ति अधिक समय तक संभव हो सके। आदर्श नागरिक होने के नाते हम पेट्रोलियम पदार्थों के व्यर्थ उपयोग को रोकने के लिए लोगों को जागरूक करेंगे, ताकि आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए एक बेहतर वातावरण सुनिश्चित कर एक नए और स्वस्थ भारत का निर्माण कर सके।
I administer this pledge in English. Sanrakshan Kshamata Mahotsav pledge. we do hereby solemnly pledge that we shall be continuously striving to conserve petroleum products in all spheres of our activities so that supplies of these scarce resources last longer for the progress of our country. We will shoulder the responsibility of a good citizen and endeavor to create awareness among the masses to avoid wasteful use of petroleum products so as to build a new and healthy India for our future generations by ensuring a better environment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Minister of Steel Government of India, has sent a message on this occasion of Section 2021. And I request Sri Kallol Mitra, General Manager of Finance, IOCL, to read out the message.
Good morning, everybody. It's my privilege to read the message sent across all over the country by Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India. His message goes like this. In our journey to achieve the ambitious goal of making India a $5 trillion economy, our energy requirements and fuel consumption are also likely to increase rapidly. The consumption of fossil fuels, which constitute a bulk of the energy basket in a country, has shown a steady growth in line with the enhanced economic activity. The way ahead should be with the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Adoption of cleaner fuels is key to enhancing self-reliance in energy sector. It is therefore imperative that adequate emphasis is laid on switching to cleaner form of energy and simultaneously work on the measures to enhance energy efficiency. Over the years, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA, under the aegis of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, has been at the forefront of promoting energy efficiency and conservation in various sectors. Like previous years, this year too, PCRA in association with oil and gas CPSEs is organizing a month-long Shaksham, Samrakshan Shamta Mahotsav campaign from 16th January to 15th February 2021 with the theme Harit Evan Sach Urja, which is clean and green energy, to sensitize citizens about the need to adopt cleaner and greener forms of energy. We must embark on a collective mission of nation building by taking part in various activities for enhancing awareness on the very important cause of adopting green and clean energy to ensure a healthy environment and better future for our children. Last year's edition of Saksham saw over 1.48 crore school children participating in PCRA's flagship national competitions, which helped it in disseminating the important message of fuel conservation, energy efficiency, and environment protection amongst youngsters. In the month-long event, almost 9 crore people were directly reached through approximately 47,000 different programs across the country. I appeal to all to come forward and contribute to make this edition of Saksham a grand success. Let us participate in this month-long celebration of promoting green and clean energy with enthusiasm and passion, and take a solemn pledge to collectively build a new and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Signed, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It is a matter of honor and privilege for us that Honorable Minister, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Assam, Sri Phoni Prakash Chaudhary sir, is here with us today. May I now request him to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everybody. And first of all, I must apologize to you, all of you, for my delay. Mr. G. Ramesh, Chief General Manager and State Head, IUCL State Level Coordinator, Assam. Mr. Subhra Chakraborty, Chief Regional Manager, Guwahati Regional Office, SPCL. Mr. Devashish Das, Chief Manager, Retail, Northeast State Office, PPCL, and different officials present here. Our country's one-third source of energy basket grossly constitutes of petroleum products, which is diminishing at a fast rate. While we are recognizing and adopting measures to increase our dependency on renewable energy sources, the demand for petroleum products as source of energy is still growing. India has huge deficit in crude oil as source of energy is still growing. India has huge deficit in crude oil production level compared to its consumption pattern. As per figures of 2019-20, the country consumes about 214 million metric tons per annum of petroleum products and has a refining capacity of 249.9 million metric tons per annum as on 1/12/2020. However, these figures are usually offset by the fact that our crude oil production is merely 32.2 million metric ton per annum for the same year. Thus, we are depending heavily on import of crude oil to the extent of almost 85% of overall food requirement for meeting the energy demand of the country. While for the state of Assam, though we are having sufficient refining capacity with the 4 refineries put together, crude oil for Bongaigaon refinery has been sourced through import. Our country's import bill is high and always dependent on global crude oil prices, rupees depreciation as well as rise in domestic consumption. However, sufficient refining output has reduced import dependency on finished petroleum products, and the country has been able to export finished products to contain the foreign exchange deficit to a little extent. It has become imperative for us to devise ways and means of reducing our dependence on imported energy. Towards this end, the Government of India has formulated various plans and strategies to considerably enhance availability of property oil and gas both from within and outside the country. Biofuels are being promoted to reduce consumption of fossil fuels. Alongside above initiatives, which are yielding substantial benefits, energy conservation efforts need to be intensified to make the whole country more energy efficient than at present. I compliment Petroleum Conservation Research Association for being actively associated in promoting energy conservation efforts in the country since 1978. Over the past 30 years of PCRA and the oil marketing companies have helped consumers in different sectors such as transport, industry, agriculture and household to realize energy conservation to a great extent. I am happy to be among you all to inaugurate this month-long campaign, namely Suraksha Khamota Mahotsav, or in short, SOKHAM to 2021 in the state of Assam. I understand intention conservation awareness campaigns are undertaken among the masses throughout the state of Assam from 16th January 2021, and I appeal to all concerned to actively participate in this great cause and transmit this campaign into our way of life by inculcating various small habits that are being propagated during the campaign. The theme of SOKHAM 2021 is Green and Clean Energy, or in Assamese, Heroes Mika Hakti, which is very relevant in today's context, as though conservation of energy, we are also performing our duty towards environment at the same time. With these few words, I want to conclude. Thank you, Joey.
Your presence itself is a great encouragement, sir. Thank you so much for your speech. Now, with this, we have come to the almost end of this inaugural function. Now, Sri Sushibrat Sharma, Chief Technical Services Manager, IOCL, will propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, all. Honorable Chief Guest, dignitaries on the dais, and our most valued guests. I am Susibrat Sharma, Chief Technical Services Manager from Indian Oil, and it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire oil industry in Assam. We express our deep gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable Minister, Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Assam, Sri Fanibhushan Chaudhary sir, who has spared his precious time for us and graced this occasion for inaugurating SOKHAM 2021 with his presence. Sir, you are a true guiding force for the entire oil industry in Assam, and we shall always be looking up to you for your kind directives as always. We extend our sincere thanks to Sri G. Ramesh. He is our Chief General Manager and State Head, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, and also the state level coordinator for Assam for his valuable address and for being our backbone in our endeavor and constantly motivating and inspiring us. Our warm thanks to the respective heads from our fellow industry OMCs, Shri Devashish Das, Chief Manager Retail, Northeast State Office from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and Shri Shubhra Chakravarti, Chief Regional Manager, Guwahati Regional Office from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, for their commitment to work together with us to promote the vision of Government of India. We also sincerely thank the media persons who are present here to cover this event, and also they have been extending their wholehearted support as always to spread this noble message on conservation of petroleum products. Behind every successful attempt lie the manifold attempts of the committed employees of our organizations, and I would like to take a moment out to acknowledge their dedication. Finally, special thanks to the children and the school authorities, their parents, our channel partners, general citizens who joined us to witness this function virtually. We are indeed lucky to get your unconditional support and love. So thank you all very much. We look forward to have you with us in future also. Thank you so much.
আপোনালোকৰ সহায় সহযোগিতাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ জনাই অনুষ্ঠান ইমানতে সামৰিছো। এই চৌহদতে গছপুলি ৰোপণ কাৰ্যসূচী আছে, সকলোকে সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো। ধন্যবাদ।